Good morning, Eastview students. Hope you are doing well. Hope you had a great 3-day weekend. My highlight was family time. We did a little Zoom. We got outside, and the Easter Bunny showed up for my kids, which is amazing. So hope you guys had a great weekend. Let's take a look at what we're up to. This week's focus is photo editing. Also, we have a Zoom meeting tomorrow. So don't forget, this is the schedule, and we keep the same meeting times each week when we do these. We'll probably settle in at one a week. My daughter Faith wanted to say hi. You can maybe hear her going in the background. So we will do photo editing. You do not submit these yet. Notice it's in big red letters there, and you'll have 2 exit questions. So let's take a look at what we are doing. So this week you'll notice in the Google Classroom we have a new category called Photo Editing Projects. So we are done using the week 1 category. You'll notice the link to the website, Pixlr-X. Also the link to the directions, which is super important. And then I have 3 different images that you're going to edit. 2 of them are green screens, so they should be pretty easy. And then the advanced one is definitely a challenge, and we'll see how you guys do. The biggest mistake my students make is not watching the whole video here. So please make sure you watch the whole video. It'll walk you through how to do that. Also in the directions, you'll see, ignore the bell ringer questions. We've already done our stuff, so that doesn't matter to us. Again, here's the website. This will just bring you to the same video. And then, there's the leveling up. The main thing you're doing, again, is you're seeing if you can edit out the backgrounds in these pictures today. And also, again, we are not submitting these yet. They will end up in a Flipgrid that we share later in the week. And I think that covers everything, guys. So have a great day. I'll look forward to seeing you guys in our Zoom meeting tomorrow. And best of luck.